Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you guys a quick tour of my kitchen decor. So when you first walk in the house, in the muddy room, you walk in here. I have my stairway there, and I have a little Christmas tree here. This is from the this is from Dollar Tree actually. It's those $5 tree. They're 5 foot tall from the Dollar Tree. Absolutely love these and how they turn out. So when you first walk in my hallway, I have like two of these. Set in the hallway and the stairway, of course. And if you could look over here, you see what's going on over there. So anyways, so now when you walk in, you walk straight towards the kitchen. If you guys want to see a full tour of this house when I first purchased it, I'm going to be having that video in the iCard above and in the description box below, so you could go ahead and check that out. So when you first walk in, here is my kitchen island. I have some bow on the back, and of course this one is on crooked, so please don't come for me. It should have been right in here instead of over there, but I'm not going to change it. I mean I could move it, but it's fine. Anytime I take it off, it's gonna be to pack stuff away. Nobody's coming here, so this is all for me. So I put all the bowls on the back of the chair to make it look nice. And so this is what it looks like. So you walk in here. I had this frame and the mirror broke. No, the frame broke and the mirror survived. It was a nice frame, so I decided to use it because I wanted to keep it a little clean. I didn't want it to be too cluttered. Like, I felt like there was so much going on for fall with all the pumpkins and the table mats and all that stuff. So I just want to keep it clean a little bit. So here I have some greenery, and believe these greenery are from Hobby Lobby, and these are from Michael's. These were like literally 50 cents a piece for Michael's. So that's that. I always have this Christmas candy jar out. I usually fill it with candy, but this year I keep it empty because I felt like the emptiness of it goes well with the glass. I didn't want to put any candy in it because that would have thrown it off. I have my little humidity dehumidifier here with my smelling going and my mist going, and I just glue a little ball onto here, and believe it or not, the ball does work. Look at that. I hold it to take it out. It's very light, so I put a little ball on it. Nice spill water. So yeah, so that's that with the greenery. Nothing too fancy. I wanted to keep it light because I have all these wreaths on the cabinet door. I have these lights, and they're pretty fussy. Plus I have this that's going on over here towards the living room. So, you know, wanted to keep it a little clean. Okay, so now over here I have my coffee bar. This is always like this. The only thing I did this year was change out the mug, and I know this look like a this is an oil bottle, but I have it. It doesn't work in my. It's an oil bottle. I doesn't use it in my decor anymore. I never put oil in it. It's from the Christmas tree shop. So I went ahead and I put like my liquid stuff for my shots, my little espresso shots and all those for stuff that's going. So I have these little coffee cup. I have this one. So see, the last time I wrote on this, it was 20 days to Christmas. Now it's 12 days to Christmas. I have my little chart right here. Then I also have these for takeout. So if somebody does stop by and I want to offer them some hot cocoa, hot chocolate, that goes. And these are my regular stuff that's here, my little spoons and stuff. And I have some tea back there. I don't like this. I don't run too much stuff on my counter, so I'm not gonna go all up to. This is just me, guys. Okay, so this is just me. So I have my stuff here and all these things right here. I don't want too much things here. I know it's a lot already, but usually I have some like gold and white mug up here. I don't want, there's no sign that say coffee bar or anything. This is perfect just the way it is. So that's that right there. Very limited. I don't want too much. So then you go on up. I have these wreaths. Let me take you up. So these ribbons were from Michael's. Michael's has a sale where you buy one, get 4 free. So I got me some ribbon, and these bows are from Walmart. They're 98 cents from Walmart. And these little wreaths, I made them. They're custom made to fit my cabinet. I made every single one of these wreaths that you're looking at in this kitchen. They were DIY by Shayna, okay? So, all right, enough of that. Let's come here. So that's just that I'm showing you right there. So, and I put it in every single one of the cabinets, even though some are taller, like this over the stove. You could see. So here I have my oven, and I did this little bowl thing that's going around. I think this is what the thing for this year, where there are like making this little bowl thing, and I think this looks absolutely gorgeous. Look like it's not centered. Let's bring it over. The thing is, when you're using the oven, this fall off, and I use my oven because I do cook. My house is livable. It doesn't look like it's livable per some people, but it's livable. So things has to be a certain way because it's livable. It's not a show. It may look like a show, but it's livable. I need to be able to find things and stuff. So then over here, see all these wreaths. Aren't they beautiful? I made so that's that, and we have that going in there. So the same thing over here. So this wreath here, it's so old, it's not even funny. It's like so old. Let me go closer. It's so old. But I have it for years, and I just kind of fold it and put it up here because I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And again, these are pine cones that I literally find outside and pick up. And let me tell you, pine cones, don't buy pine cones, guys. Like, look at the pine cones that they sell us versus the ones that I pick up from outside. Mother Nature. Okay. Then I had this Christmas little Merry Christmas sign from the Dollar Tree. I have it for a while now. And I just kind of like cut off the bottom piece, which is like the tail part of the Dollar Tree bowl. I just kind of like cut this part off and just leave that so we could have it to look like that. And I think it turns out absolutely gorgeous. Then I went ahead and I put some light in. So we have battery operated light up here. You could get it to twinkle if you want, or you could put a timer on it. But that's what's going on there. It's beautiful, and I love it because guess what? I live here. So now if we come down to the stove, I built a little Christmas tree. Again, it's just a little piece of the garland that's left over. This is just a little piece of garland that left over from the wreaths, because I got the garlands from Michael's that I used to make the wreaths. They were on sale for $3. And this piece of berries from Temu. I have these. And all I did was just get a little bottle, a little jar here. Stuck the other piece of leftover garland, and then stuck some beads in it, berries, and life is good. I have my candle, and this is a leftover candle from last year. It's almost done. It's fresh cut garland, pine needle. So leftover from last year, absolutely gorgeous to make the house smell so nice. So that's what's going on over there. Over here, I did nothing but just leave it regular. But again, I have my Christmas wreaths on this side of the cabinet. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we make that turn. And all I did here was just put a Christmas towel. Nothing crazy. And that's it. Just my little Merry Christmas towel. Kind of went for a traditional look, kind of like with the whole traditional look Christmas towel. But that's that over there. Then over here I have a garland that I had for years again. And look, guys, these are the pine cones that came on it. It's not even real. They're like plastic. They're like plastic made pine cones that came with it. But I did put in my pine cones. So this is literally greenery and pine cones. I didn't want to put any lights on it because, of course, I have this beautiful light hanging over my sink. And that was just doing it for me. From the outside, it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's pretty from inside too. So I didn't want to get it over. Like last year, this place was like full. So I wanted to keep it a little lighter this year. So again, pine cones, and my pine cones that I pick up from outside versus machine-made pine cones. So that's all what's going on. Let me stay back a little so you can see what's going on. So looking at me in the window. So that's what's going on right there. We have that, and I love it. Then I came over here. Oh, sorry, you're looking at me, but it's okay. And over here I did put, like, I had these candles, like, and some berries I just kind of put there, and these little reindeer, they're from the Dollar Tree. They're old. And then I have this Noel sign that's like super old. I got it from Burlington a couple years ago. So I just put it there. I have my Alexa going there, so don't pay that in mind. This house is livable, like I say. So, and then that's just it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me move away so you can see the look of the window. So that's what's going on behind the window without me in the background. Then over here I kept my regular lotion pump, and I put this up. This is a lotion pump, but I put soap in it. Was not a good idea. It said lotion pump, guys. If it said lotion pump, then go ahead and put lotion pump. And I think it actually saying it has like a battery thing on the bottom. I just got this one. This is new to the collection. Got it for $14 at Burlington. $12.99. I mean, sorry, at Burlington. So I think it's really cute, and I'm gonna put battery in it and see. The reason why I know batteries in it, guys, is because you have to use a little screwdriver to unscrew that, and I didn't have the screwdriver with me, so I'm gonna use the unscrewdriver and unscrew it and put battery in it and see how that works for me. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Then now we're over here. Like I said, like my counter clean. I do my dishes. I usually put them here. I usually put up like a dish drainer here with. Yeah, I usually put the dish drainer right here with like the mat. And once everything is dried off and I put them away, out of my life, it's gone. So my paper towel and my little clock. That's about it. There's more wires on the counter than guys. There's more wire on the counters than stuff. Okay, because this is going to that camera, and you may wonder why I have all these cameras in my house. Because I watch my dog when I go to work. I watch what she's doing. But don't worry, some of these gotta go. Like when the dish drainer go up, you don't have to worry about it behind it. But it's fine. So that's that. So then over here again, we have more candles, more wreaths, and it's beautiful. Look at that. We have more wreaths, and it comes down just like that. So that's what that side of the kitchen looks like. Over there, these mat I got from Temu. I usually don't put mat in my kitchen, but I bought one of these from Temu to put at the door, like here. I would put mat right here, but I usually don't put mat because one of the things is I have this rug that a long-way rug that I put here, really nice, and our mat, but it's like a white color one. It got dirty, and I was supposed to wash it this summer outside so it could dry because it can't put in the machine because it's not cheap. But I didn't get to wash it. I was supposed to do a pressure washer and wash it, so it's still in the garage. So it's gonna be a next year project to wash. So because I accidentally bought two, I put one there. Say hi, Fiona. Say hi. This is the the foreman, okay? This is the foreman. If you're new here, this is Fiona. If you're not new, here's the foreman. So I bought it to put here, but then I thought it looks pretty good over there. So what do you guys think? So I put the other one over there. Then over here, if you guys want to send me some wine, we could stock this up, you know? Yeah. So that's what. But when you first walk in from this side, this is what you're looking at. If you walk in from the back door, we have another tree over there. You know, I have a bunch of trees. Don't know why. But when you walk in, that's what you're looking at there. This is like literally from the, if you walk in from the deck in the back, okay? So any angle you come from, this kitchen is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so that's that. Then over there, you know, if you come from that way, remember I came from that way, so you could see, guys could see the other tree that was showing you, those trees that going on over there. And then I have my little, this is actually a garland, and I didn't know where to put it, so I just hang it right at the door, and I think it looks beautiful. Goes back with the green, but a different thing. And then also, if you come from the mudroom, then this is the other angle. You come from the mudroom, you're like this, coming around, and there goes Fiona. And you walk around, and there goes, first thing you see is Fiona's bowl. These lights up here. And you turn, there it is. It's right here. So the kitchen is the center of attraction, so I have to make sure it's nice and clean all the time. So nothing crazy, just that. That's my home. I'm sorry that I don't have another video for you guys tonight. I have videos, but you guys are not really interested in those videos, but I have to keep up with the YouTube algorithm. So I kind of like, you know what, I'm not gonna waste my time to edit those videos and post it. It was videos of me making these wreaths, videos of me like decorating my mantle. So I kind of like, you know, say, you know what, it is what it is. So if you stand at this side of the kitchen, then this is what you're looking at right there. So, but I just didn't want to leave you guys hanging tonight, so I decided to make a quick tour and a quick video of what my kitchen decor look like versus, you know. And if you come from the dining room, this is what you're looking at. So there it is. It's so pretty, but you have to see it in person, and unfortunately, you know. So with all that have been said, if you make it this far throughout this video, you guys are the real deal. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you click off this video if you're interested in videos like this. If you're not interested in video like this, don't ever bother to subscribe. Just move along, because I'm looking for people who's gonna come back and watch these videos. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you could notify every time I upload a video. Alright, so with all been said, just remember that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now.